Hashem Nassim Nasliach. We continue with Koler Chasot this morning. Elul 5th Tafshin Pei He Abo Alenu Letova. So we continue from Sefer Cheshmei Nikbachti from Harav Eliyahu Netaneli Shlita. Nejat Eliyahu V'Avadi Qom Israel Qom Muqaddas Yahud, which means the final redemption of Am Israel. So Harav explains the chet of Shmirat Levatala, as we know, causes a lot of isurin, difficulties, right? Especially would make a roshem to one's, make influence, effect to one's olam haba, and also causes galut to become prolonged. Causes the galut to come to Am Israel and increases the days of galut. So therefore, every Yehudi who controls himself and he keeps his Brit Kadosh by making sure that there should not be Shmirat Levatala, he causes the galut to end sooner. And this causes the Beit HaMikdash to be rebuilt sooner. So this comes to remind us that the Fum Sa'ara, this is so difficult, but this is more rewarding. That's why a person needs to make teshuvah. A person who was almost every man needs to make teshuvah with this, because at a certain time there was this chet of Shmirat Levatala. So one who causes teshuvah, who does teshuvah, he causes the galut to end, and Mashiach comes sooner, and Beit HaMikdash gets rebuilt. And this is something that also not only a person needs to make teshuvah, he needs to encourage others to stop this avera, Shmirat Levatala. And a person needs to not only make himself tahor and clean, also causes others to become tahor. And this is an unbelievable chesed to another. So therefore, when we speak about redemption and all the difficulties that is upon us, and by coming Mashiach would end, one of the big steps towards ending these difficulties is by controlling his Brit and having this Kedushat Brit of stopping and ending to this Avera of Shmirat Levatala. So this reward is unbelievable by HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and a person who is controlling himself, having Kedusha v'Tahara, he is praiseworthy, he should be proud of himself, that there is unbelievable zechut for him. And Harav Netaneli writes here, a kash, right? He wishes that all, every single individual among Am Israel, right, should come to this level of controlling his Brit, having Kedushat Brit, and stopping this Avera of Shmirat Levatala. Bezat Hashem v'nomar Amen.